Hello, Claudia. Hello, Darisbel. How do you feel? Very good, thank you. What about you? Very good, too. Do you manage time? Yes. Why do you ask me this question? Well, this is the question in class this week. For me, time is gold because if I waste my time, I am going to regret it in the future. Does time manage you now? Claudia. I think time manages me now because I rarely have time to do what I like. I am always very busy. Do you like to be busy, Claudia, or do you like to have an easy schedule? I like to have an easy schedule. However, my schedule is very busy and I barely have spare time. Claudia, do you think time moves slowly or quickly? I think time moves very quickly. Claudia, what would you do if you had a few extra hours in a day? If I had a few extra hours a day, I would go shopping and go to the beach to relax. Claudia, the question in class is interesting. Truth? You shouldn't say here truth. You should say true. Is it true? Isn't it true? Yes, very interesting. Bye, 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 bye. Hello, Darisbel. Hello, Claudia. I'd like us to talk today about how we handle our time. Do you think we can talk about this? Yes, of course. Do you get to all your appointments and meetings on time? Yes, usually yes. You'd rather be late or you'd rather be late? You'd rather be early or late? You should not here say late or later. So it is, you'd rather be early or late? No, I'd rather be early. I like to be punctual so that people don't have to wait for me. Darisbel, do you manage time or does time handle you? You shouldn't say handles, you should say handle. Does time handle you? Because you have does. Well, most of the time, I try to organize my days, but let the weather reach me. We have to discuss this later. How much time do you spend sleeping? Every day I wake up early. I sleep about 8 hours a day. Interesting. Bye. See you soon. See you. Bye.